Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 13, Friday the 13th. We are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading or investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir, we closed at 24.90. Up 1 cent, and the post-market we seem to be down by 7 cents. Yes, after this great day that we had yesterday, the stock is really holding its own pretty well. And I'm sorry to be always amazed by this, but I can't help it. Look at this. We have a red candle. We have a long wick at the bottom of the body of the candle. The low was at 24.31 and we had our support at 24.30. Can it be more precise? I don't think so. Yes, technically by 1 cent, but still it's pretty good. We bounced on this support today, so this is great. So it seems like 24.30 is really a significant support for the stock. So this is what we had as a confirmation today. Let's look at the 1 hour chart to get some details, some more details. This is the 9:30 candle. So we opened right here, higher than the last candle of yesterday. Went down to 24.31, then went back up quite quickly. Second hour went a little bit down, then stabilized ourselves, and yeah, we can readily see local support at around, let me tell you exactly, at around 25 actually. 24.72. We have a local support here for the 1 hour chart. And the last candle of the day is a green candle, and the low of that last candle is higher than the low of the previous candle. So just a little bit of a move up before we started the weekend. Let's go back to the daily chart. So what did happen to our stochastic? So stochastic is remaining pretty much the same. So we are 83.49, still pretty strong. When I see a strong stock move up with no corresponding stochastic move up, I distrust the stock move up. This is basically how I do things. And so right now I am happy to see that the stochastic is at over 80. MACD is becoming more aggressive in its turnaround up. So the two lines are going up quite dramatically. Of course, we have the blue line that's over 0, and the orange line is coming behind nicely. So if the stock stays there within a couple of days, we are going to have the orange line crossing over positive, and the MI crossed positive pretty aggressively yesterday, and it's remaining pretty positive also. So all in all, very good day for Palantir. We maintained the gains that we had yesterday, so I am pleased with that. Let's see what is in plan for next week. If you join my YouTube channel for $5 a month, you are going to get exclusive access to my weekly recap videos where I look at Tesla and Palantir from a weekly technical analysis chart. And that gives us nice insight towards what is going to happen next week, and also it's going to give us a more longer term outlook. So I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.